Hello, my people from Qatar. Are you ready for this? This is a guy, Prince Indah, and of course, the entire Malaika musicals. This Thursday, 11th of January 2024, Amani X Lounge, Grand Regal Hotel, Qatar. The Doyen is here, finally. See you there.
Hello guys, mapetko hapa hivi na leo tuko hapa ndani ya Arman X Lounge manze, and for the first time Prince Indah will be performing live in Qatar manze. So tuko hapa tukingoja sound check hapa nini and tell a friend to tell a friend. You already know the vibes manze. So waonyeshe mandhari mtu wangu. Hii si ya kukosa manze. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Chukueni tickets pale, advance tickets wenye hawakupata zitakuwa pale gate. Mkuje tujibambe manze. You already know. Location tuko hapa near Umgwelina, Arman X Lounge. That's what's up.
Prince Indah is in the building. The man. Alija shook. Look at the squad, man. The man just show mzima, guys. Look at the squad. On a squad, guys. Cameraman. It's just wonderful, guys. And Prince Indah is happy. Prince Indah is very, very happy today. Yeah, man. Prince Indah hapo hivyo nini? It's gonna be lit, guys, man. Kama hujalipa man, just pay mapema. The guy himself is in the building. Stereo ako in the building. Right? Guys, ndio wanapeleka na upload za sound check sasa hivi. Make sure una sound check next, si ndio? Yeah, man. Mapito Kenya, make sure you follow Mapito Kenya always. That guy is so amazing. Girl podcast. Kama msiko pale, that guy will give you a lit show always. Okay, guys. Come on, we do my sound check. Next video is sound check. Sound checking.